How to buy crypto on Solflare. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can buy crypto on Solflare. To do so, first of all, open your Solflare application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your wallet account here. Once logged in, you will land on this home page. Here at the middle section, you'll be able to see different icons. Tap on this buy button next to receive, which is indicated by a plus sign. Once you tap on it, you will be taken to this page. Here at the bottom, you will be able to see the continue button. Tap on this button and you will be now taken to the browser. Here now you will need to select the token or the crypto that you'd like to purchase. At the right side in the second row, you will be able to see this Sol option. Tap on it and from here select the crypto that you'd like to purchase. Once you find the crypto, you will need to tap on it to select it. Once after selecting, in this first row, here select your fiat currency by tapping on this button at the right side in which ARS is written. Tap on it and from this list, here you will need to select your preferred fiat currency. Once after selecting that, you will need to specify the amount of crypto that you are going to purchase. After that, here you will be able to see the amount of token or the crypto that you are going to get after spending the desired amount. Here just above the payment method, you will be able to see this Get Connect option. You will need to tap on it and once you tap on it, here you will need to choose the exchange platform. By default, Get Connect is selected. You may also select other options if you want. After that, now you can tap on this Buy USDT at the very bottom and now you will be connected to Get Connect. Here you will need to first log into your account, review all the details from here, scroll down and select your payment method and then tap on this login button at the very bottom. By doing so, you will be asked to log in to Get Connect. Here, if you haven't created an account yet, you will be prompted to do so and after that, you will need to confirm your purchase. Once completed, the tokens or the crypto will be credited to your Solflare wallet. So by following these steps, you should be able to buy crypto on Solflare. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.